Whack it like a fucking Ashton Kutcher. Don't.
You taping now?
Yeah.
Here, hold this, man.
Whack it, nigga.
I need
Whack
someone to
it,
hold
bro.
this so that I don't drop it.
You can cut the videos, right? Don't
Yeah.
make it fly out your damn hand, nigga.
Whack it, go ahead. That bee's pissed.
You turned on my home, man. You turned on my home.
Dude, it's leaning like.
Hey, die.
Yo, Nick, that thing coming down right now.
Really?
Keep chopping.
I can keep, I see it. It keeps leaning. It really
Yo,
does.
Nick, when that thing, you need to run when that thing gets
Oh,
actually
it's
moved.
coming. It's going right now, dude. I swear to God, it is. It's falling. I see it.
Nick,
I
come back
see it
here. Come
fall-
back here.
I see it falling,
Come back
yeah.
here, Austin. Austin, get your ass over here. Nick, stop.
Chill out, man. It's falling. I promise. Look, look,
Nick,
look.
That's damn enough. Austin, get out, because that branch is going to shatter.
And Paul size enough.
Now, Nick, look. Get over here. Oh, shit! Start God. Motherfucker. Pause the video.
Hit it in the back.
Fucking got wood on my face.
Guess who's got to be the one chopping when it comes down?
Kill it.
Trust me, I'm fucking trying.
Stab it.
You hear it.
Yeah.
It's coming. Down.
It's not coming any other way. Oh, me and my brother. Shit, speaking of which, I gotta call Lewis.
That motherfucker ain't dying.
Hey, you do it. You record it. You record it.
One
You record it.
more time.
Hit it one time. That's it.
Not one.
Hit it one time. Alright, you good.
That counts.
We're recording again. This big fucking tree.
Yo, where's your dad at, man?
Gone.
Where's he going? Where's he going to?
Here you go, YouTube.
Coming down, coming down.
Here you go, YouTube. Here you go. Yeah! One fucking tree down. So we've been waiting for all day.